Quality is a key element of your cleaning and facilities management activity. To help you to optimize the quality control of your services, we have created Qualimobi, the mobile solution for quality control. Frank is a supervisor.
Thanks to Qualimobi, I access directly on my tablet to the different types of control forms parameterized on the web interface, so I do my quality control on my sites digitally. Once the control is done, it is validated by electronic signatures. The information goes back in real time to my quality manager and my clients. Behind the corrective action plans and non-compliance points are simple to follow and set up. In addition, I can make bidding and inventories from my tablet. No more paperwork.
Chloe is the quality manager.
Access to control report in real time, statistics and dashboards allows me to ensure that the quality of our services is maintained, data is centralized, and information management is much simpler. What a time saver!
Natalie is a client.
From my customer portal, I consult the controls made, make my requests, declare and track my points of non-compliance. A real transparency.
So contact us to digitalize your quality control with our Qualimobi app.